will be doing 11.4 today. There are 2 pages. One is learning about the addition sign, the plus sign, and then one is a review of combinations to 10. We'll start with the one that is introducing the addition sign, the plus sign. Now, it shows blocks. You can use fingers, manipulatives, whatever you would like. The focus of this lesson is the addition symbol. That's what the circle is for, is to practice that new addition symbol because, well, kids are familiar with it because they've seen it so many places. It has not been explicitly taught until this lesson. So I'm going to write the missing symbol and the numbers to make the statement true. So I'm going to look at my first set of blocks. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to write my 4 here. And then, am I making it bigger? I guess it would go this way. Am I making it bigger or am I making it smaller? When I make it bigger, I need more lines because it's bigger. And I make it the plus sign. So 4 plus 1, 2, 3. 4 plus 3, and I can use my fingers to add it up. I can use manipulatives. I can count the picture. I'll just count the picture for time being. I'm going to work on that counting on still. So I know there's 4, 5, 6, and 7. And I'll write my 7. All right, next one, I'm going to count my first set of blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to write my 5. Make the man's neck, big fat belly, put a hat on him. And am I trying to figure out how many? Is it going to be bigger or smaller? It's going to be bigger, so I need more lines, and I add my plus sign. And I count my second set. 1, 2, 3. So I know if I have a set of 5 blocks and a set of 3 blocks, if I put it all together, I would have 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 3 makes 8. We're not yet ready. Well, the math does not introduce the equation, the equal sign yet. All right, and then you'll do the same. You'll count up your first set of blocks, write the answer, put the plus sign, second set of blocks, write the answer, and then the total would go there. Our next page is working on that fluency to combinations to 10. So one way to start with this one that would make it maybe easier is you just start with 10 objects. And then that way, being able to move things around and count as they're touching and moving, it kind of makes it a little more playful, a little more fun. Snack time or dinner, if you're down with playing with food, that'd be a good time. Like, here's some noodles. Let's do our combinations to 10 with noodles or chicken nuggets. Or my favorite, oranges. So I'm going to count and make sure I have 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I'm going to look at my first set here. So I have 3 numbers, 7, 3, and 2. I could use my fingers also because I have 10 fingers, but I'm going to show using the oranges. So I can put out my first number. I can put out my second number. So I have my 3 and then my 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did I use all the oranges? Why, yes, I did. I don't even need to move to the number 2 because I already know that 3 and 7 make 10. Now I'm going to start with my next one. I have 7, 5, and 5. So I'm going to put out a set of 7 oranges, 4, 6, and 7. And then the second number, I'm going to put out 5. Can I put out 5? I cannot. I only have 3 left. So I'm going to try my next number, and it shows me 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, and the second number is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Does 5 and 5 make 10? Why, yes. Yes, it does. So you can color the box or circle it, whatever. Okay, I start again. My numbers are 6, 1, and 4. So I'm going to put out my first number. 2, 4, 6. And then my second number. 1. Did I use all my oranges? Is that 10? No, that's just 7. My next number is 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Does that use all my oranges? Do I have 10 in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So My combination to 10 is made up from my 6 and my 4. And then this is one you can just play around. Like, okay, I give you this many oranges. How many oranges do you need to put with it to make into 10? And I can just count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 and 8 make 10. 2 plus 8 equals 10. You can just give some random oranges out or whatever. Oh, I threw out that many. So how many? 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 and 7 make 10. And you can go through and figure out all the combinations or just play around with manipulatives and figure out the combinations that make 10. Thank you.